Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back. Today we've got another return of the Vinted seller that sells these fantastic paintings, and I bought quite a lot of her. And this one arrived today. Now, I think this is the one that's got the keychain in, or it's the one that I've been teasing Debbie Gets Crafty about. And I think there's like 4 or 5 in here, I'm not entirely sure. So, yeah, we'll get into that and see what we got, shall we? So, I have to do it this way because the label's on the back. Let me just double check that. Yeah, so that's that. So let's get into here. I think this is the one that's not got the key ring, but it is the one. Can you see what it is, Debbie? Do you know what it is? Look! I think you know what that is, don't you? But let's get into... we'll save it till last. I want to pick this one out with one... it's got the key ring in it! It's got the key ring in it! I've just found it. Oh, yeah, baby. I'm going to kick this one off with Lazy Retired Granny. This is one that I've been teasing Lazy Retired Granny with. It is Hedwig the Owl. I think we've both got the same painting. But this is the one that I saw very late in September. It was around about the 23rd or 25th of September. And I was like, this ain't going to make it in time for this year. So this is one that we're going to do next year. And it is of Hedwig the Owl. And yeah, this is the painting. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And I'm so gutted that I wasn't able to do it for this year. But the great thing is we get to look forward to this for next year. It's very heavy on colour block, as you can see. And what I like about it is it's like Hogwarts is here. You've got the moon here. And Hedwig's just delivering a letter as he's swooping into the night sky. Really, really lovely. I think the white is really going to pop once we see... the black around it. It's going to be a fabulous, fabulous painting. This has got 22 colours. It is a 30x40 painting. Let's take a look at the drills. So this is the drills. And we've got ourselves a little boat. As you can see, this one's got no bags this time. So as you can see in here, absolutely fabulous. So in here, as you can see, this looks really, really lovely. So we've got a couple of escapees there. We've got white, a brown, a yellow, a dark blue. Sometimes in the drills, I've noticed that they put 2 different shades. I think it's so that you can choose what shade. But that doesn't happen very often. We've got a lime green. We have a purple, a dark blue, a blue, another blue, a green, a dark blue, and an orange. And then we've got a yellow, a green, a sort of... what one is this? I'd say beige. We've got a purple. We have a dark grey. We've got a green. We've got a orange. We've got a grey. We've got 3 lots of black there. We've got a blue and we've got a purple. Now, because obviously I need to get this up to show crafting with Debbie. Oh my god, Debbie Gets Crafty. I've been teasing her so much, and obviously. On Wednesday, we've got Halloween unboxing, which you would have just seen. So I'm gonna give you a bonus unboxing this week, just purely for this, so I can show Debbie what it is. It's gonna be on Friday, and I'm very, very excited about it. So we're gonna get that there. So that's that one. And then in this one, we have, I think, I'm not sure what this one is. I can't remember. But it is, that's pixelated. That's not to worry. This is the old style, but what is that? Oh, I know what it is. It is my... I think it's Belle from Beauty and the Beast. And look at that. What really done it for me in this painting was this fabulous, gorgeous frock that she's wearing. A frock is like a type of dress. And it's just exploded with this massive dress. It is a pixelated one. You can tell straight away by the rendering of the face. If we was to look at Hedwig, you can see the rendering is a lot more clearer than the face there. But I'm still going to do it. It looks pretty good. And it might come out okay. This one's got 25 colours and it's a 30x40. I really wanted to get this for my Disney theme to tie in with that Beauty and the Beast, you know, the rose that's under that glass dome thing. So I'm pretty sure it's Belle, but it could be Cinderella. I'm really not sure, but I'm getting the vibe that it's something related to Disney. So that's that, and that's got 25 colours in this one. And we'll take a look at the jewels again. In this bag this time, we've got some bags. I'll send them out to you, Tessa, no problemo. And let's take a look at the jewels. So looking at the yellow here, this yellow looks quite nice because this one has got, yeah, this is a bright yellow. And then we've got a grey, a dark grey, 2 blacks, sort of browny sort of colour, so that's really nice. So we'll put that over to one side. And then we've got some here, which is a grey, no, that's not grey, that's like a chocolatey sort of purple colour. Then we've got some yellows, some oranges there, a brown, lovely peachy colour there, a brown, a yellow, a brown, an orange, sorry. I think that's probably going to be for the dress. If not, there's another yellow coming up in a minute. We've got some peach, a browny orange colour, dark blue, very gorgeous sort of dark mauve there, or dark brown, probably dark brown actually, yeah. And then a beige, a red, a very funky, sexy, gorgeous purple there, a blue, we've got an orange, peachy sort of colour, and I think that's probably going to be the dress, but I'm not being funny with you. That is not many drills for the dress. Look at that. And then we've got an orange. I mean, if you look at that dress, but then we also have them ones. So I don't think that's going to be enough, you know, because as you can see, I can't see how all that is going to do all that. But, well, we'll have to wait and see on that one. But, yeah, that's that one. So 25 colours on that. And then I think we'll show you the key rings next. So these, when I checked from her, she said that there's 2 key rings. And when I checked from her, she said that it come from Disneyland. But when she got them, they were already like done. So I said, have they been sealed? And this is my first ever key ring that I've bought where it's all been drilled. And look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's like got a squodgy thing, but it's really gorgeous. I mean, this is a really high quality sort of clip there. Like so, and it's got some like bells and things on it, so this is obviously been drilled, and I'm quite happy with that. I really like it, and she had them and I was like, they're coming home with me. And then we've got, I don't know what one is Chip and Dale, but there's one of them's Dale and one of them's Chip, or Chip and Dale, or perhaps that's Chip and Dale, but Peta might be able to let us know because she's the Disney expert. But I just love them. I think it's a nice little cute thing. I think they've been drilled because they seem pretty stuck on there to me. And again, they're just really, really beautiful. I mean, you could probably put your keys on there for your car, and I just thought they were so beautifully done. Really, really lovely colours. I would have loved to have drilled something like this, but I just thought they were really, really beautiful. So I paid £4 for them, and I'm really, really happy with them. Okay, so next we're going to do the one that Debbie Gets Crafty. We're going to tease Debbie Get Crafty now. Do you know what it is, Debbie? Oh, look! Can you guess what it is? It's your favourite, yes. If you have... Oh, this one's been stuck in the bag. Just carefully do that. That's interesting. This one's not actually been... Someone's taped it by the looks of it. How strange. It normally comes in a cellophane bag, but... Oh, yeah. Can you guess what it is, Debbie? I do believe it's your little friend, Dopey. Yeah, look, I just had to get this. I saw Debbie Gets Crafty, and if you've not watched her, please try and bump her subs up. She's this little small fish in a big crafting pond, and she's been doing a series of Snow White stickers. One of her favourites was Dopey, and I thought, I'm not really into Snow White. I don't really like the film, but she had this for sale, and I was like, right, that's it. I've so got to get that. It's cheeky little face, very, very gorgeous clear print there, and this is 18 colours, 30 times 40, and look, it's just going to be a fabulous, fabulous painting for Disney when I do my Disney theme next year. But I'll tell you what, you are going to love this. I think you will probably get Todd to buy you it, won't you, Debbie? But that is one of the surprises. We have got another one that I'm going to tease you about. I don't know if it's in this package or the next package, because I always get regular orders from her. But I just had to get that to wind Debbie up. So, yeah, it's Dopey. So, she did have one of, is it Angry, the one that wears the red costume? But unfortunately, someone else bought that, so I was too late, damn it. But I did manage to rescue Dopey. So, Dopey, I always get confused between Dopey and Dobby, but Dobby's from Harry Potter. But yeah, I just had to get that. It's just so cute, and it's just really beautiful colours. As I said, that's got 18 colours. We'll take a look at the drills, and I can't wait to see that. It's some paintings you just look at and you put them to the side, and then other paintings you look at and you just want to dive straight into them. They're like just so good. So in here we've got 2 whites. As you can see, we've got an orange, a yellow, a greeny sort of colour, a very beautiful pink there, a light blue, a brown, we've got a pink and a green, And then we've got a sort of peachy colour, a lime green and a dark green. And then we've got a brown, and then we've got a blue, a yellow, an orange. And then we've got a green, and we've got a red. So I thought I've got to have them. Thank you very, very much. And then, oh, this one's got like a little red thing. I think that's just excess wax. But as you can see, this one looks like someone's had a pinch of that. Perhaps a mouse has bit it. But as you can see, that's really, really good in there. So absolutely fabulous. We've still got more coming up. We're coming up to our last two now. This is another sort of one for lazy retired granny here. As you can see, I buy quite a lot from her because she's got so many paintings and I just love them all. Near enough every one she uploads, I'm buying it. But in this one we have, this is quite an unusual one. It's a landscape, and I don't think I've ever had a 20x30 in a landscape. I normally do portraits of 20x30, but this is a landscape one. Although it's quite a small painting, it's just beautiful in it. Isn't it giving you the vibe of the Durhams? There used to be a drama on TV called the Durhams, who used to film in Corfu, and it was giving me that sort of vibe. Obviously, I don't know if this is Corfu, but just the scenery of it really, really whet my appetite, and I was like, I've got to have that. And it's 16 colours. It's a really, really funky, gorgeous painting there. So let's take a look at the drills. Again, we've got our standard bag, no drills, no bags in that one. Let's take a look in this one. And as you can see. So as you can see, I'm sort of itching into trying to get the Disney theme up and running, but Harry Potter took over this year, so we'll do that next year. But I really would like to do a Disney theme. And I've got some other things I want to do. So yeah, brown and then blue, and we've got a sort of bluey grey there, and a purple, and a sort of peachy plum colour there, and that looks like a dark green. We've got a dark, a bluey grey there. That's quite a new colour in the shops now. With paint shops like B&Q. We've got a brown, we've got a dark brown, we've got a light blue, a pink, we've got a green, we have a purple, a grey, a black, and a pink. So absolutely gorgeous. And then last but not least in this wonderful package that we've got is another chicken. Yes, we are gearing up to do another farmyard theme next year. Can't find the thingamajig, there it is. And yeah, I'm gearing up to do another chicken. That other one that I got was evil looking, so I found this on there and I was like, yeah, that's really cute. I think this is, it's a 20x20 this one, but this one is a little cute little hen in his little flowers there. It gives you sort of a very old fashioned type of painting going on there, because it's not very bright, but it's cute and petite. You know, this lovely cockerel there with his big bushy tail, and it's got some sunflowers I think down there, but really, really lovely. 20x20 there, 15 colours. So yeah, I do buy quite a lot of 20x20s. We've got our standard boat again. I wish they would phase them green ones out, because we want the ones with the spouts. But as you can see, I've got an influx of trays again now, so it's always lovely when you get new stock. So yeah, and in this one we've got a white, a brown, a yellow, we've got I think that's a grey, a blue, it looks like a dark grey. We've got that gorgeous baby pink colour there, another sort of lighter pink. I like it when you get drills and they're all in sort of like, it goes darker, light, you know. So it's some of them. We have ourselves a darky blue there. We've got a red, we have a pink, we have another pink. That's quite a nice colour, I've not worked on that. It looks like there's a bit of a tinge of, some people say that there's fairy dust drills out there, so I might have to get some of them. We've got a beige, and then a very gorgeous pink there, and then finishing it off with a baby pink. So, let's just run through what we got in this consignment. And that was the Harry Potter, so I'll get that up there as best as I can. We got ourselves the cockerel. We have got ourselves Debbie's favourite, the dopey. We have got ourselves this Cinderella. I don't know if it's Cinderella or Belle, but and then finishing it off with these gorgeous key rings. And the fact that these have come from Disneyland as well, it's so nice to have something that is from Disneyland. So I just really like that. But yeah, I think that's probably a girl, because obviously she's she's got like a red nose and orange hair, whereas that one's brown. So yeah, I think Dow is that one and then Chip is that one, but I'm sure Petter will confirm. But it just feels very high quality, and it's got Disney printed on the back there and also on there. So yeah, they're really, really lovely. I don't plan on using them as key rings. I'll just use them at like Christmas time to hang on the tree and stuff. So I might take this ring off and then just put a piece of cotton through there to hang on there. But yeah, I do like my Disney stuff. So I hope you like that video. We have more packages coming from this seller very soon from Vinted. Please check out Vinted. You may get yourself a good bargain on there with paintings. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of future videos and uploads on the channel. And I'll see you very soon for another unboxing from Vinted. Take care. Catch you later.